Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the world of fencing, the GILPWA wire fence.
If you're looking for the best hog wire fencing on the market, you're in the right place. Let's explore why this could be the perfect solution for your needs.
The GILPWA wire fence stands out with its robust construction and versatile design. It's a PVC-coated welded wire fencing, 36 inches high and spans 50 feet in length. This makes it ideal for a variety of applications, from protecting your garden vegetables to securing poultry and pets.
Firstly, let's talk about durability.
Crafted from heavy-duty galvanized steel and coated with black vinyl, this fence is built to last. It's rust-resistant, easy to clean, and designed to withstand outdoor elements without compromising on its structural integrity. Whether you're creating enclosures for poultry, rabbits, or even using it as a barrier for deer or smaller animals, the GILPWA fence offers unparalleled flexibility. Its 2-inch by 2-inch mesh size ensures security while allowing adequate airflow and visibility.
One of the standout features is its ease of installation.
Lightweight yet sturdy, it can be easily rolled out, cut, and installed using T-posts or wooden frames.
Perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to enhance their property without extensive labor. With over 107 ratings averaging 4.8 stars, it's clear that customers love the GILPWA fence for its reliability and performance. Backed by a generous 5-year warranty, you can purchase with confidence knowing you're covered for any unforeseen issues. When compared to traditional chicken wire or other fencing options, the GILPWA fence offers superior quality and longevity. Its ability to blend functionality with aesthetic appeal makes it a top choice among gardeners and homeowners alike. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best hog wire fencing that combines durability,
ease of use, and affordability, look no further than the GILPWA wire fence.
Available on Amazon with options for different sizes and backed by excellent customer reviews. It's a smart investment for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor space. Click the link in the description below to get your GILPWA wire fence today and start enhancing your garden or property with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique.